All right, today we're adding another layer to our movement with something a little bit more complexity. You're about to see me walk through a lateral shift squat. This adds some side-to-side movement to everything we've been building. Just like always, this is about moving with the 5 inner gates open and staying connected, not just going through the motion. So here, this is how I'm going to set it up. I'm starting in a wide stance, really wide, wider than usual. I have my feet grounded and my hips back. This is still a hip hinge, so my butt's reaching back, my chest is slightly forward, and I'm anchored through my heels. Now, watch as I drop down. Not into a full deep squat just yet, but just enough to feel some tension build. Now, I start shifting. One side, and then the other side. I'm doing this slow and steady. And while I shift, I'm still maintaining connection through the 5th gate. My heels, pelvis, and front anchor points. The pubic bone stays forward even as my hips shift back. I'm opening up the 4th gate in the front, lifting through the back ribs to open the 3rd gate, and staying grounded with every step of the shift. And see, I'm opening up the 1st gate as well, like always with my breath. I'm breathing into my lower back, not bracing or holding. Remember, this isn't about being fast or how fast I move. It's about staying connected and moving with intention. And here's something to pay attention to. I'm not rising up and down with every shift. I'm staying at one level. I'm doing this as if I'm gliding across like an old school typewriter. And once I'm warm, I might start dropping down a little bit deeper into a squat before shifting. But I'm only going as low as I can go while staying fully connected. And if I feel like that low point is too much, I stay where I can control it and I go side to side from there. Now here, you can see a side view. You'll notice the stance is still wide, my hips are back, my spine is long, and I'm shifting across without popping up, staying locked in from head to heel. And throughout the entire motion, I'm feeling it in my hips. I'm waking up the areas that maybe haven't moved like this in a while. This is more than just a squat variation. This is a full body diagnostic. It teaches your body how to move in a new direction, laterally. Laterally without losing connection to the inner gates of movement. It builds strength in different angles. It opens up the groin. And it brings control back into the hips. And maybe most importantly, it brings awareness to move through new ranges of motion without compensation. So take your time, breathe, stay low, and feel your way through it. This is how we build real resilience in the system, one controlled rep at a time.